Hi guys! Here's your minimalist mom again. As I promised earlier, nung lilinis ako ng cabinet is that I'm going to make a breakfast nook. Ayan. So breakfast is really a very important meal of the day, di ba? So tayong mga mami, gusto natin pagkaalis na ng mga anak natin, puntang school, ganyan. So, after cooking breakfast and everything, gusto rin natin mag-relax sometimes, right? If we have time, especially during the weekend, ayan, gusto rin natin mag-relax, okay? Especially yung mga may partner, you could also do this breakfast look. So, if you have a little space in your area or maybe in your house, you could actually do this, alright? So, etong table namin na ito, I place it here because I'm thinking of yung, alam mo yung uupo ka ba in the morning, ganyan, uupo ka, magre-relax ka, magkakape ka, not in your dining table na pagkalaki-laki, just a little space for you. Pero, ito ang nangyayari sa aming, this area, no, overcrowded na siya, especially during the holidays. Wala na talagang time para, magligpit, mag-ayos, ayan. So, we're always thinking of holiday, anong gagawin, ayan. So, maraming hugasin, tapos pag maraming hugasin, hindi natin na ibabalik lahat sa cabinet. So, kung saan-saan na natin nilalagay. Diba? Guilty tayo sa mga ganyan, mommies. Alright? And I myself, I also do that. Pag hindi mo na mailagay sa cabinet, kung saan-saan ko na rin pinapatong. So, ayan ang nangyayari. This time, alright, etong aming water dispenser, I place it here. At the center actually because ito malapit lang siya sa dining. So, kung gusto mong kumuha ng pangkape mo, pwede siya. Abot mo lang, ganyan. And, pag nagluluto ka, nandito rin siya. Pwedeng abutin rin, ganyan. So, we can only manage one water dispenser. Ayan, kasi medyo magkalapit ang aming dining and kitchen. Actually, ayan. Napaka-open ng aming design ng house. Okay? But anyway, I'm not really going to keep this because it's really useful. And this time around, gusto ko na ang area somewhat functional. Ayan. Pero nakikita nyo na over-decorate yata ang aking area ito. So, babawasan natin ang konti yan. Alright? Because being a minimalist mom, it's better for us to just choose, ayan, something that we will let go, something that we will keep it, ayan, something that we will just showcase in our table. Okay? So, moving on. Tanggalin muna natin yung hindi magagamit sa table na to. Of course, ito, we need to keep this doon sa, if you remember yung cabinet ko na napaka-cluttered, there's still space. Ayan. So, that's a good news. May space siya. Pwede ko siyang idagdag or itong dalawa naman, pwede ko siyang ipamigay. Ganyan. So, I could place this in the cabinet. Ayan. Tabi natin yan. And another thing, ito, pang-bake ng egg. Bake ng egg, beat ng egg, and bake ng kung ano-ano, di ba? So, I would place this doon sa baking things. Ayan. Pagsamahin natin ang pare-pareho. Okay? And this one, actually, we use it, of course, for the wine. Ayan. So, pagkatapos na hugasan, hindi na naman na ibalik sa cabinet. So, we need to return it sa cabinet. Okay? Okay, next. Of course, ito, wine. Naubos na. Ayan. So, ubos na. Napakasarap ko ng wine na ang aming inubos ng New Year. Okay. We also have this container. Ito, napakasikat talaga dito sa bahay. And I guess anywhere else kasi pinaglalagyan natin ng kung ano-ano. So, we could keep this actually. Alright? And, of course, we already cleared everything. Yung mga pupunta sa cabinet. Okay? And this time, we're also going to think, oh, by the way, ito pala, itong pitchil na to, alright? Pitchil ng ano namin to, senior sa bahay. So, meron siyang mga nilalagay dyan. Sometimes he puts prutas, he puts citrus, something like that. So, hindi ko dapat, tanggalin na to dito. Kailangan nandyan yan. And this one, we could place it on top of our cabinet. Ito kasi binabaon ng father ko, our senior, kung saan-saan. Kasi sabi niya, gusto daw niya yung magkaroon ng own mug. Pero minsan nakakalimutan niya rin. So, dapat I could place this anywhere else. Ayan, na makikita niya. Okay? Anyway, going back, there you go. With this displays, mga painting at artwork ng aking anak. Ayan. So, napakaganda, di ba? And, sometimes di ko na rin alam kung saan ko ilalagay. Okay? Pero, we could choose only one. Ayan. Pwede tayong magbawas. We could actually remove this and maybe think something or somewhere else sa house na pwedeng paglagyan ito. Or, I could actually ask her to give it away. Ayan. Di ba magandang display rin ito, pero pag na-overwhelm ang ating house, ayan, huwag naman sobra-sobra sa display, you know? Minimalist mom, ayan, it's being practical na we only have less displays sa bahay, okay? Another, this one, we need to maybe keep this or maybe we can actually try to sell. Ayan tayo, di ba? Yung mga gusto bumili, mag-mind na. O baka malito sila, live. Live ano ba to? Selling. Yeah, you could actually buy this. Yeah, it's a reasonable price, friendly price. Hindi siya SM price. Ayan, so pwede natin itabi to and we could actually use it in the future. Okay? Okay, there you go. So, everything's clear now. Ayan. Make sure ang ating mesa, of course, is malinis. Ayan. In advance, pinunasan ko na po yan. So, being clean, of course, is also relaxing in the mind and in our heart. Charot! Okay, anyway. So, there you go. I would choose this colorful one kasi pag nakakita ko ng maraming colors, ayan, parang bakla lang. Rainbow, ganon. Talagang napakasaya naman ng aura, di ba? See, my watch, it's orange, di ba? Colorful, yan! Okay, anyway, moving on. Let's move this here para naman pumantay. Alright? Don't you worry kasi we need to vacate this space. Medyo anuhin natin kasi syempre pag nagkakape tayo, kailangan natin ng paglagyan ng ating kape. Ayan. And, of course, because this is a breakfast nook, di ba? Kailangan din natin ng mga gamit. So, na pwede lang nating, abutin, kunin. Ayan. Especially pag nagkakape tayo sa umaga. Okay? So, first thing, I want to show you this. It's an invention, no? I'm just kidding. It's not really an invention. Okay, eto. Napaka-favorite ko ito. Ang aming lolo sa bahay. Okay, ito po ay dating tissue holder. Tissue kitchen holder. So, meron po kasing nagbigay sa amin ng tissue holder, hindi naman namin ma-manage na maraming kitchen tissue holder dito sa kitchen namin. So, what I did with this, it's better for me to make it as a mug or maybe a cup holder. Yan. So, this one, I just made use of screw hooks. Pero medyo matigas lang siya ha, mga mamshis. So, kailangan talaga ng malakasang force dito. But anyway, I'm really happy with the outcome. Ayan. So, instead of buying, di ba, mug holder, yeah, it's really a blessing na merong nagregalo sa amin ng tissue holder, and this time, I'm doing this as a cup holder. Ayan. So, being creative as well is also a part of being minimalist. Ayan, sa ating bahay. Para naman makapag-save tayo ng konti. Okay? And of course, ayoko talagang pakawalan ng aking lolo. That's why I made this as a mug or cup holder. Alright? So there you go. Lagay natin siya dito. Ayan. So I know Lolo will be happy. And I'm also happier with the outcome. Ayan. So itabi natin po dito kay water dispenser. Okay? There you go. Not only that, of course, we don't need cups only to drink coffee. Kailangan din natin ng coffee, of course. But first, yeah, kung maalala nyo tong platter na to, I got this from our cabinet na hindi na nagagamit na naman. So, instead of giving it away, kasi baka hanapin ng father ko to, sa father ko yan eh. Alright? Let's try to use it, okay? So, habang malakas pang father, nakikita niya nagagamit, sabi niya, wow! Okay? Nagagamit pa pala ang aking mga gamit. Ayan. So, mahilig din siya actually sa mga ganito. Victorian, you know, kung ano-ano. Victorian things, yeah? So, anyway, pwede natin ilagay dito. Yan, sa tabi ni Lolo. That's my Lolo. Okay. And, alright, next, we will put something else like this. Ayan, nilagyan ko na siya dito. Okay, this one. Alright. So, I bought this from a surplus store. Matagal na rin ito. So, dito namin nilalagay ang aming coffee. Ayan. So, sa mga bata, Energen! Energen, Energen, Energen in the morning. Ayan. So, there you go. So, we could place it here. Oh, diba? Ang cute niyang tignan. But you know what? Itong platter, kung iisipin nyo, ba't nilalagyan ko pa ng platter? Meron pong purpose niyan, okay? Just wait and see. Another, okay? We also have this kind of container. This one, wait lang. Wait lang po, kasi medyo kailangan ipatong-patong mo siyang ganyan, okay? This one, I also got this from a surplus store. Ayan. Diba ang cute nila? Ayan. So, I just got it like less than 50 pesos tong mga to. Ayan. So, diba napaka-practical if we go around some, ang dami kasing surplus store dito sa Baguio Benguet. Diba? Tapos mga mura lang siya. So, if you give time, yan, if you have time, you could also look for something like this. Ayan. So, ano siya, hindi siya masyadong mahal. Ayan. But anyway, moving on, syempre nalinisan na itong mga to, na-disinfect. Ayan. So, what am I going to do here or place here? Hindi lang coffee, hindi lang Energen ang kailangan natin. You know, mommies, it's also good to have this. Ayan. Tea. Alright? So, I'm using chamomile tea, or we are usually drinking chamomile tea. Ayan. So, it's not only good for the tummy, it's also good for mommies like us, lalong-lalo na sa mga nagdadalaga rin. Ayan, sa womb natin. So, it cleanses our womb. Alam nyo ba yan? Okay, another sharing, alright? But anyway, kung meron man kayong mga ideas then about tea, you could also try to share it in the comment section. Alright, anyway, moving on. So, lagyan natin siya ng, of course, lagyan natin siya ng tissue para hindi siya mag-moist. Alright? Alam niyo naman dito sa Baguio, Benguet, napakalamig. Sometimes, yung moist, you know, yan ang kalaban natin. But, we have something to do about it. Alright? So, lagyan natin ng tissue. Lagay natin yung tea. There you go. Diba? May lalagyan na ang tea. And of course, cover natin yan. And what we are going to place here sa taas niya, syempre pag nagkakape ka, hindi lang naman kape sometimes, diba? Hahanapin ng mga gustong magkape, diba? So you could also try to place some creamer. Ayan. Hindi ko sponsored. Okay. So, creamer is also useful. And, of course, we also have sugar. Sugar po. Okay? So, advisable yung sugar natin nakaseal. Kasi sometimes, right, yung mga insects like yung mga what do you call this? Ants, ayan, papasok sila. So, diba, napaka not so good naman kung may mga ants sa ating sugar. Okay? Anyway, so those are the things that we need to think about when it comes to drinking some breakfast tea, breakfast coffee, and anything that you want to drink. Alright? Oh, pwede rin tayong mag-add ng maybe juice dito. Ayan, bottle of juice. Maybe we could actually place it there. And we could add maybe a glass siguro. Ayan. So, it's up your choice, mommies. Ang akin lang is for usually in the morning, we need hot drinks, diba? Hot drinks ang kailangan dito sa Baguio, Benguet. Okay? That's why I'm setting this for hot drinks only. Alright, anyway, there you go. Itabi natin yan. Alright? And of course, as I said, as I mentioned, eto, okay, may gamit yan. Alright? So, kung meron kayong mga teaspoons here, okay, teaspoons, it's better to use this. Ayan, kesa naman yung meron tayong nabibili sa department store or groceries na yung pang-stir ng kape, diba? Tapos natapon natin. So, napaka-aksaya. It's better for you to use teaspoons kasi at least ito nahuhugasan. Ayan. Alam natin na tayo lang ang gumamit, diba? At nahuhugasan. So, for you to kasi wala akong mahanapang container for the teaspoons. At saka iilan lang naman, di ba? We could actually wrap it with tissue paper. Yan. Actually, facial paper. Facial, tissue. But, it's also good, okay? Yan. So, we could wrap it with tissue paper. There you go! Inanda ko na yung mga iba. Ayan. We have a lot actually. So, you could just put minimal, especially na kung kayo lang naman ang gagamit. Diba? Ikaw, mag-isa ka lang or yung partner mo. Why not? Okay. There you go. We are almost done with our setup, guys. Ayan. Diba? Nagiging cute na siya kasing cute ko. Okay, lastly, of course, if you need saucer, ayan, yung mga platito, pwede naman po maglagay dito. Ayan, isingit natin Lolo! But be careful. Be careful, Lolo. Ayan, hawakan ni Lolo ang ating platito. There you go! I guess this is better, right? Ayan. So, as you can see, it is simpler. You have space actually to drink your coffee or maybe eat your bread. Well, you could also place something else dito na kahit konti lang paglagyan ng bread and butter. Alright? And another thing, wala kasi akong pambili ng high chair. Baka may gusto mag-sponsor ng high chair. I'm just joking. Ayan. So, ang ginawa ko, ayan. So, instead of high chair, monoblock na lang siya. O, di ba? Napakalumang monoblock. There you go. And I place something like this, a cushion. Ayan. Para naman malambot na pag-upuan. Ayan. Kasi especially in the morning, malamig na malamig dito sa atin. So, ayaw natin ng malamigan ng ating puwet. Diba? Okay, so there you have it. I hope you like our setup when it comes to our breakfast nook. Ayan. So, let's make it simple. Okay? I guess my water is ready already. Ayan. At ako'y magkakape na po. Kape po tayo. Dahil malamig pa rin ang panahon ngayong January. So, yeah, we could use this. There you have it. And we could actually make timpla-timpla na yung coffee natin. And let's enjoy our coffee time with our little area. There you go. For a coffee or breakfast nook. Alright, I hope you like it, guys. And I hope to see you again. And have a nice day. Bye!